Hello everyone, it's Gigi. If this is your first time coming across one of my videos, welcome to my channel and I hope you stay. So guys, I know I've been slacking when it comes to uploading videos on here. Really, between work and school, going to school full time, it's been hard trying to find the time to actually edit my videos and put them up, but I am working on it. So part of how I make money to pay my bills is I hand make designs and I sell them on my Etsy store. Be sure to check out my Etsy. I'll leave a link in the description below. And over the past week, I received a lot of orders for a particular item. It's not weird that I received a lot of orders for it because it's the summertime. And so I decided to just record the video and let you guys be part of the process with me. I want to show you guys and my customers the behind the scenes of how I do my work. And although the video really is me making one bathing suit, I had to repeat the process 20 times. I hope you guys enjoy watching me work.